Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Kurt with Rock.Hounding.Adventures, and today we are going to unbox a small package that I got in the mail today from Theo Kellison. He is helping with a gem and mineral show out in Billings, Montana. I'll have the information to that show down in the description, as well maybe right here along the bottom. Later when I do the editing, but we're gonna go ahead and open this up. He sent me a couple cabs to wrap in copper, which you'll see in this video, and then as well he sent me some extra pieces for me to possibly do for future videos with. So let's go ahead and cut into it and check it out. We're going to use this beautiful dino bone knife that I got from Kyle over at World of Rock Hounds. If you guys are interested in having one of these made for yourself, make sure to go over check him out and request having one of these beautiful things made. So the first one, what is this? And that looks like calcite, and I'm not sure what this is. I know he said he was going to, oh, you know what, actually, yep, this is a ammonite, or some Ammolite right there. I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but a little bit of color flash right there, kind of orange. It's really beautiful on my side, but the flash is kind of wiping out that color tone. But anyways, that's cool. He said he was going to send me some ammonites and ammolite, but he was going to send me a better box later on, since we're doing a kind of a collab deal, and I will be sending him some of my pendants to sell in this Montana Gem and Mineral show, so that'll be super cool. Let's open up, well, let's see what this is. It's more ammonite. Beautiful texture. Super cool. Ooh, another one. A little bit Ammolite right here. And right there. Look at that color play. Camera's not doing anything. See if we can get it to pick it up. You can kind of see it right there. It just needs to be polished. So we'll do that in a future video. Super cool piece. Super beautiful. And looks like a geode. I'm guessing that's some calcite right there. I'm not sure of the location. I'll ask Theo and then put this down in the bottom of the video for you guys. But super beautiful. Look at the sparkles. Sparkle, sparkle, sparkle. Ooh. That's so beautiful. This looks like a Montana Agate Slab. Yep. It's a nice one. 1/4 inch thick. Really beautiful. Nice quartz right there. We'll turn the lights off in a minute. Hit these with the black light, see if anything pops up, and also hit it with a backlight to see if this is like an iris maybe. So yeah, super cool. So let's see what these are. These are probably the pendants that he made for me to wrap. Grab the knife again. There we go. Oh, what's that? Oh, that. Oh, right. So a while back, I bought some fire opal, some Juniper Ridge fire opal from the Family Stones over on Facebook, and then I sent some to Theo, and he faceted a piece for me. Let me zoom in for you guys. I got fingerprints all over it now, but he did a beautiful job on the faceting job. I may have to get this set or wire wrap it, but that is so beautiful. I'll make sure to put down in the link description the video where he facets this, so you guys can check that out if you guys are interested in that. That is beautiful though. Put that somewhere safe. And let's check out these. Ooh. Here is a beautiful cabochon of ammonite. Look at that. That's so beautiful. He did a fantastic job. Kind of like that. This side. Super beautiful. And then this is a Montana agate. It's a very beautiful one. When I wrap it, I'll ask him and see which side he wants to be the face of it. I'm gonna guess this side, but that side's really beautiful too. Super beautiful. Let's turn off the lights and see if any of the stuff glows using the UV light. Okay, lights are off, and we're using the UV Beast Mini 365 nanometer light. And if you guys are interested in purchasing one of these lights, I'll have the link for UV Beast for their website and their storefront, Amazon storefront, in the description. But that glows orange, quite beautiful. Kind of has a little bit of an afterglow to it. Very beautiful piece. Look at that. That's cool. Okay. Here is the Montana agate, and it doesn't light up too much. There's a little bit of white there and there. No afterglow effect. But the ammonites and ammolites, they do glow orange also. That one really glows orange. Awesome. Here, I think this is the Bear Canyon, like agate and possible geodes. The name just came to me. I think that's what these are. A little bit of green there. That's cool. That's awesome. I'll have to take this piece and make a cabochon out of it. And then the last piece is Montana agate. Now it just fluoresces white, which was expected. Doesn't have an afterglow, but let's turn this off real quick and put a light behind it. Oops. Hold on, let me zoom out. There we go. I think if this was a thinner piece, there may be some iris going on, but if not, all good. It's still a extremely beautiful piece. I see some chatoyancy going on in there, but we'll have to polish this piece soon. But yeah. Before we head off, I just want to show you the finished pieces of the wrapped pendants that I did for Theo. This one is the Ammonite. I forgot to hit the record button, so I apologize about that. But if you guys want to see these, make sure you check out Theo Kellison's booth at the Billings, Montana Rock Show the first week of August. But the next piece that you'll see in just a second is the Montana agate, which turned out way more beautiful than I was expecting it to. The threading and weaving turned out perfect, basically, and I tried something a little bit different, leaving the back open so that way the light shines through and highlights the stone and lets it glow. And I'll have to try it out on future pieces. But anyways, let's jump back into the outro. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure to go over to Theo's YouTube channel and like and subscribe over at his channel, and subscribe to this video. I will deeply appreciate it. And you'll be seeing a video very soon of me taking these two cabochons and wrapping them. And you can go to the gem show in Billings, Montana, and check them out. And I hope you guys have a fantastic week. Rock on, find some cool rocks, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.